How to pay Hulu with Spotify Student. Go to the Spotify website specifically for students at spotify.com/us/student and click Get 1 month free to start your premium student subscription, which includes Hulu for $5.99 a month after the free trial. Complete the student verification by submitting proof of enrollment through the Share ID form, which confirms your eligibility for up to 4 years. Once your student subscription is active, log into your Spotify account and navigate to the account section. In your account settings, find the services or premium student with Hulu section where you can activate your Hulu subscription included with the student plan. If you don't already have a Hulu account, you will be prompted to create one during the activation process. If you do, you can link your existing eligible Hulu account. Your Hulu plan will be billed through Spotify as part of your premium student subscription, so you'll pay one combined monthly fee. Use the Hulu app or website to sign in and start streaming with your Hulu subscription link to your premium student account. If you experience trouble activating Hulu, try accessing support through Spotify or Hulu websites to resolve account or billing issues. Subscribe.